Core. Yeah. This one, all of these you start off lightweight. I don't care. We'll just get that over with now. Everything you just start off lightweight. And you do 15 reps. You want to go for high rep. And start off with low weight. So you don't ruin the rest of your life. You know, yeah, fuck up your back. I mean, mess up your back really bad. Anyways, now that said, we start off with cable rotations. These are for your obliques mainly, and you just, twist your body, and they really get your obliques. And I put abs, squeeze your abs. It's not for your abs, but throughout this whole thing, you want to squeeze your abs because that works out your abs no matter what. I mean, you could be sitting there squeezing your abs and you're working out your abs and you're burning like belly fat maybe, which is where everyone has fat. So, well, fat they don't like. Anyways, this one, you set up your body to be in line with the cable. So like the cable comes out this way, right? You want your body to be, like this is the front, this is the back or whatever. And then you twist your upper body to face the cable. And then you twist it that way. But you keep your legs in line. You just twist your upper body like that. And it'll get your obliques. And you breathe and stretch, classic. 63 pounds for 3 sets. Oh, I have to go up in weight next time. These felt pretty easy. Not today, but whenever I did this, the 22nd, 2 days ago. But yeah, they were pretty easy. Next one. Oh, wait. Yeah, if you don't know what obliques are, they're what do they call them? Fish gills or something, bro? I don't know. You got your external obliques, which are right here, and then your internal are obviously inside. Transversus abdominis. No idea, bro. No idea what that is, actually. Mainly because probably nobody ever talks about it. Anyways, that's for this one. And after that, we do cable side bend, which is also obliques. And I feel it in my lower back as well, which are also obliques, but you got your front and your back and your, it's just your core, bro. I mean, when you do them, you'll know. There's so many core muscles that, and nobody ever talks about core muscles, so I don't know that much about them. It's not really, you got your abs and your obliques. But what about your transversus fucking alternator or whatever the fuck? I mean, I gotta stop cursing. Anyways, this one is your side bend. You just line up your body with the cable, these images here. Pretty self-explanatory with that. And yeah. Again, low weight. You'll probably get a pretty high weight on this one. Like you just keep moving up, but don't move up too fast in any case. So I did 80 pounds for 3 sets, 15, 16, 13. 80 pounds is the max on this cable machine, so I don't know. I guess I'll go for 1,000,000 reps or something, or just maybe get like a bar or something that you can add weight on. It'd be really, really weird and probably can't hold it. I don't know. Maybe you could find something out. Figure something out. Anyways, this one's pretty self-explanatory and simple. Just don't bend over. Don't bend forward. Obviously, you're gonna bend to the side. Don't bend forward or back like too much. Probably want to bend forward a little bit, but really not that much, because would be doing them wrong. Anyways, again, your obliques. I mean, you can imagine. Like, can you see the strain? The stripes. They go like this, and then all of these go like this, and then these go vertically because they're your abs. So whichever way the stripes go is the way the muscle pulls and contracts. So if they're going horizontally or like left to right, in a sense, when you go left, like when you go left with these. Okay, well this is a mirror. This is kind of hard to explain, but when he goes this way, like side bend, like we were talking about, or I was talking about, it squeezes these, so these get squeezed, and then that's what makes you go to the side, and then when you go up, it stretches them. So yeah. And then the abs are vertical. They make you go this way. Yeah, I mean, I don't need to explain this. Anyways, next one's kettlebell swings. This one gets your glutes. It's like pretty main thing for your core. Biggest core well, it's the biggest muscle you have, so it's the biggest core muscle. That's for damn sure. People don't really think of the glutes as a core muscle, but it definitely is. It's a leg muscle and a core muscle. So you get a fat butt. Even if you're a guy, if you're doing it right, you get a fat butt. Because you should be doing twice as many glutes as core and the rest of your core, I should say, and the rest of your legs. Anyways, this one you just set up for whatever's comfortable for you. Make sure you can hold on to the weight and not hit a wall or something, or whatever. I should have put keep your back straight, but I didn't even think of that because it's so obvious. No, you want to, of course, keep your back straight because you might break it or pull something. Did I say? Whatever. Move on. All over the place. As per usual. 24 kilos, because the kettlebells are in like kilos, and then there's like 5 in pounds for some reason. I don't know. for 3 sets at 15, 16, 13. I think I just started getting winded at the end. So it's not really my muscles, although my muscles hurt. It's not really them. It's more of a lack of oxygen. Yeah, keep your back straight. Bend forward. Don't bend forward too much. And when you go up, don't go like all the way. Just, you really only have to go to like a 45 degree angle that way. Up. Like, this is 90. That's 45. Dangerous games. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Gets your glutes and lower back. So like this, your quadratus lumborum and your butt. And what is that? Erectors. Yeah, right. It just gets this whole little region here. It doesn't get as high as up here, but it also gets your shoulders and back and a bunch of stuff. But you want to focus on your glutes and your erectus or whatever. Just your lower back. Florida shelves. This one, we get a lot of stairs when we do this one, but it's really good. Takes up a lot of room. I think that's why everybody doesn't like us when we do it, but that's because they're weak. No. Florida shelves. This one, glutes again, and obliques. It's kind of a mix between the kettlebell swing and the cable rotation. I mean, it's literally a 2-to-1 mix, 2 exercises into one. So, yeah, it's just both of those. Except for comfort, doesn't really matter. Again, you don't want to arch your back. I should say you don't want to arch your back. You want to keep your back straight. You're supposed to bend it. Obviously, you can't go down without bending unless you're squatting. But this is core. So yeah, just keep your back straight. Don't arch it. Of course, bend it. And yeah, it's kind of like a 45 degree. This one you do 2 sides. So, well, actually, so far the first one we do the rotations and the cable side bend. Those both are like two sides, left and right, as well as this one. So yeah, 2 sides. You do it twice. It's very tiring. You do 15 again. You go for 15 reps. Obviously, probably not going to do it, but well, at the start probably. But you go for 15 reps, and just like the rest, again. Yeah, that's about it for this one. You want like a kind of like right outside your shoulder stance, like your legs are like, or your feet are right outside your shoulders, so that you can, you don't fall over. You have a good stance. Same with the kettlebells. I didn't mention that, but it's the same kind of stance. Yeah. Again, I guess we'll go to the glutes and obliques. Got to show the glutes. Glutes. gluteus medius. Oh, you know what that is major in the kettlebell swing. But yeah, this maybe even these obliques here. I think should be I'll just say the front obliques. What was that? The fourth one? Yeah. Almost done. This one's pretty fast. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I did 27.5 for 3 sets. Yeah, didn't do that well, but it was an upped weight, so I honestly did pretty well for just upping the weight. Yeah, that's about it for this one. The next one's decline sit-ups, and you got to bear with the model here. He can't do these, so he's grabbing onto the machine thing. So, well, it's not a machine because I don't know. Are any of them machines? Yeah, I guess it's a machine. It moves barely. Anyways, this one's obviously your abs. You're going up. The decline sit-up part, you don't have to start at decline sit-ups. Probably just normal sit-ups. Maybe a little decline. Get more declined until you're at like a 45-degree angle, and then hell, maybe even further if you want. But and then you start adding weight because you gotta do something like this. But anyways, this one for the decline sit-ups, if you're there, you do 45-degree angle or more. You could hang from a pull-up bar if you really wanted, and just be completely vertical. But it doesn't matter. Yeah. It's just a sit-up. I mean, what else is there to say? It's pretty. Like what? What is there? Keep your back straight. Kind of like reach for the ceiling. Don't reach for your feet or anything. Like reach upward. So you really destroy your abs. And go fast when you go up and slow when you go down. Typical stuff. I mean, everything else is just breathe and stretch and normal, fast and then slow. Again, you go for 15. I did get the logs here. I did no weight. And I did pretty well. I did, this was a while ago. I did 15, 15, 15, and then I did one set that was 15, and then I moved to 5, and I just dropped the reps. The reps just immediately drop after the first sit-up. As you can see, I mean, I literally halved my reps. But yeah. It's also cardiovascular thing, like can't breathe. So 5 pounds, 16, 8, 7. Just gonna still keep the 5 pounds, even though that's kind of terrible, but. Oh yeah, when you go down, I see a lot of people when they go like down on a sit-up, they don't. You want to go all the way down and touch your head on the bench or whatever you're doing, the floor. You want to go all all the way down. Because I see people that, it's like the same thing with like a push-up where they don't go like 90 degrees or like stretch their chest muscles. You gotta eat the floor, bro, when you're doing a push-up. And then go back up. That's how you do a push-up. But, yeah, same thing with this sit-up is you want to go all the way down. You don't want to be, like, lame. You don't want to do it wrong. Hold up. What if I raise this? There we go. And then, wrong way. Boom. Yeah, and that's it for that one. Then we move on. Wait, that's not it. I gotta show the abs again. This is what you're squeezing. Yeah, they're vertical. Well, in this image, they're vertical, but, and according to your body, they're, what would that be? Yeah, I guess vertical relative to the body. Does he just have really long abs? Can I show this wiener on YouTube? It's an educational video, bro. Not. Yeah. Those are your abs. They go, they squeeze like that. And of course, you don't want to grab on a machine, like I said, like my freaking, like the model is doing. Anyways, last one, well, kind of last one that we do is the crunch slide. Again, your abs. We kind of start off with like the obliques and lower back, but which is your lower back, and then go to abs. I guess apparently. Yeah, this one you go for 100 reps straight. Obviously you don't go for 15. It's very small. But you go for 100 reps. You want what's it called? Speed, efficiency, breathing capability, conformity with the rest of your body, so you don't, die. And yeah, it's not only for your abs, basically. It's also for your breathing. But yeah, this one you just set up for comfort. I don't know if every gym has this crunch slide machine thing that's here, but if they do, it's a pretty good machine. I mean, you can add weight. I don't know how people do it though, because the entirety of my shin. Like, look at this. The entirety of the model's shin takes up the entirety of the pad thing. That I don't know. I don't know where the hell you put the weight between your butt cheeks, bro. Squeeze it in there. Could work. Yeah, what the hell am I talking about? If you have the same machine as this, or like you have to hold on to a bar, like this, or like this, or like that, or like that, whatever. I would recommend, what I do is I switch the grip like halfway through. I'll go from this to this, just so I don't collapse because of my grip. Because you're holding on for a while. And, yeah. But, also another thing with your grip is that you don't want to like yank yourself up with your arms. Of course, you want to focus on your abs, but it just might be something that you do and you just want to focus on not doing that. So, yeah. Other than that, it's the self comfort. Yep. British strap. Yep. Oh, we've lost it. Yeah. Nothing else. I mean, also another thing I do on this one is like the first 25, because I'm going for 100. The first 25 is slow, like paced thing. Like a run versus a sprint. The first 25 is like a run, where you're just pacing yourself and you're going for kind of distance. But and then the next 25 with the first grip is the I go fast. It's the sprint, and it's not really about perfect form or anything. It's just squeezing your abs as fast as possible. And then when I change the grip again for the third 25, I go slow again, and then with the second grip on the last 25, I do fast, as fast as possible, which isn't really fast at that point, but you get the idea. And then if I can do extra, which I did 8 extra, you're supposed to do as many as you can. Doesn't matter what grip or anything, just go for it. I mean, you could switch grip again if you're going for even more, but yeah, it's up to you. Whatever. It's my life, man. That's it. Like I said, it's kind of our last, because we do Ab Ripper X, which is a Beachbody. You know what Beachbody is? It's a routine program thing. Ab Ripper X, not Beachbody. Beachbody is like a group of programs and videos and whatever of exercises to get a beach body. And get the ability to lift large shrubbery or something. Or yeah. But yeah, we do the Ab Ripper X routine off of the Beachbody thing, and well, we try to do it. And that's it. After that, we're cooked and we just go home. So if you want to do the Ab Ripper X Beachbody thing, look it up, bro. I'm not putting the whole thing on here. I mean, come on. It's not even mine, so. What? It's like, do your research. Bum. No, I'm just kidding, man. I would put it on here. It just takes way too long. Anyways, if you don't want to do the basic gist of the Ab Ripper X, if you don't want to like look it up or whatever, is you just slam out whatever you can with these core workouts, like mainly ab. Obviously, Ab Ripper X has ab workouts, but it's mainly like ab workouts and like a little oblique and a little glutes and it'll get your hamstrings, because your hamstrings have already been gotten by kettlebell swing and floor shelves probably, and something else probably. But yeah. So if you want to just do like crunches and then sit ups, wide leg sit ups, those are actually in there. Yeah, whatever. Do whatever you want, man. These are the abs, the obliques, the glutes, these things, the erector, and yeah, all this other stuff. You just get that as you're doing it. That's it. I hope. Yeah. Good luck. Start on low weight. 15 rep or high rep, whatever that is to you. I do 15, and yeah, eat good, eat well, and you should know the rest, man. You should know the rest. Good luck. Stay safe, and it's another thing. I don't know. Laugh a little bit, man.